Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am sharing my April crafty stash. Now, I mentioned in my empties video that I posted just a couple of days ago that I'm going to be trying to do things a little bit differently in April, just to kind of push myself a little bit. So what I've decided to do is keep my stash to a minimum. When I say minimum, that's minimum for me. It may not be minimum for you. I totally understand if it's not, but with the amount of videos and projects I create, this is really like gonna push me to use up the things that I've pulled and be creative, maybe make some of my own embellishments and things like that. So with all of that being said, let me go ahead and show you guys what my minimal plan is. So in my crafty stash, I've had some of these like paper collection packs just kind of sitting there for a while. So I was looking through all of my stuff and I was like, what collection do I want to use in April? And I saw these and I'm like, oh, that would be such a good challenge for myself to like use these and only these for papers, pretty much all the stickers, all kind of journaly die cut things. So that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. I have two of them. They're both by Echo Park and I will show you what is in each one. So this one is called Capture Life and you can see it's kind of photography based. These little kits come with 12 by 12 double-sided papers, an element sticker sheet, and then like an alphabet sticker sheet. So let me show you what I'm working with. And I thought that this would be a really fun way to really kind of limit myself, force myself to be creative, and see how much of these packs I could use up, right? And then it should be really easy at the end of the month when I'm doing my empties to see exactly what I've used up and how much, just because there is kind of less stuff overall to work with. So these papers are really pretty. I love that they're double-sided. Some sides are more my jam than others. There's also this one. And then there are two big sticker sheets. So this one has some tags, like label-y things. And then this one has a whole bunch of alphas and then like some smaller little phrasey things. So I think this is cool. It gives me some decorative options, gives me some alphas, and then some papers to work with. And then the second one is called Creative Agenda. Again, this one is by Echo Park. Let me show you guys what is in here. So it is the same kind of deal. There are 12 by 12 double-sided papers, which will be fun because I don't get to work with a lot of 12 by 12 papers. I am definitely more used to working with papers that have only one side. I love this one. I already have an idea for this paper. So it'll be interesting to see what all I do and what I come up with these papers. So there's like some journaling cards. This one is really fun. Some little push pins. So this one is more of like a creative kind of plannery, I don't know, pack or whatever. And then again, it comes with two big sticker sheets. So this one actually has 3 different kinds of alphas, some smaller phrasey things, a little bit of decorative, and then this whole thing, which is cool. It has like some longer strips and lots of kind of smaller stickers. So I think these 2 packs will be super fun to work on. I did choose both because the colors of both go really well together and that will give me a little bit more flexibility and options. Again, I do have projects to make for the whole month, so I do need some supplies, you know? But I thought these would be really fun. I am going to try to keep the collections, like the packs, together, so at the end of the month we can see which one maybe I've used more of, or you know, what I have left a little bit more clearly. I will do my best to keep them together. Now, you guys know that I love my scraps and I love having a little scrappy bin here on my crafty desk for when I'm making projects because I like to use them up. But for this month, since I'm focusing so much on the collection packs and really trying to use them up as much as I can, I actually didn't pick very many scrappy papers. I have 1 sheet of silver glitter and then this fun like clear acetate one with stripes on it. So that's all I picked, again, because I want to focus on the packs, but I'm sure this will fill up a little bit throughout the month as I go because I'll be cutting those papers down, so we shall see. Next, I have this little container. This was an insert from like a Project Life core kit, I think, and I just ripped it out of the box because I thought it was really good for organizing. So here I have the silver chipboard things that I could could not make myself use last month, so I'm gonna try it again. And then I have some silver doilies because those are really fun. This one I have some sequin trim, some little crepe paper trim. This is the remnants of last month's twine. And then I have some white kind of iridescent trim, and then this kind of tealy green baker's twine, so we'll see how that goes. I have this little bit of crepe paper again because I really do want to try to use it up, you guys, and I always forget. I have my empty jar for any sequin mixes, and then I have some of the little baggies that you guys know I love to use. I don't really care if I use these up or not, they're just here mainly for ease of crafting. You can see that I picked out my washies here. So I have a blue glitter, a pink floral. This one is almost gone, so when this is done, I might swap it for something else. I don't know. This yellow date one by Freckled Fawn, this cute arrow one with the teal arrows, some little black and white dots, and then this fun stripey one from Scotch. I have some glitters here from Recollections, I believe. I had picked some glitters last month and I never got to using them, and I was like, Danny, that's such a waste. You love shiny sparklies. Why aren't you using your glitters? So I picked out some glitters to try to use. I have my little gem things. I have this big tube of like hollow silver confetti sequin things. I have my little mixie, and then I have a whole bunch of my little sequin like mix builder things. So I don't know, do you guys want to see all of what I picked? So I've got these two. These are the clear seed beads that I use all the time. I just put them in a smaller container. Some little stars, some more stars, some different blues, some kind of tealy blue greens, some more greenish kind of color, like definitely a green, some yellow stars. These ones are different than last month. These ones are a little bit more of like an orangey yellow. Some pink, really fun pink hearts. So I'm sure you guys will be seeing more of those. Again, because the collection packs already have some stickers, I didn't go crazy with stickers. I just mainly wanted some dimensional ones, so I grabbed these two. I think these are both in last month's stash, and then I have this little container, and this just has some more little dimensional things, so some little glasses, little cork ones, some puffy stickers. This one is almost new. Little remnants from, I think these are from Freckled Fawn, and then this brand new pack. So not too many, again, just to add some dimension in case I want it. And that is everything in this little container. So again, not that bad, not that much stuff, right? I don't know, for me, it's not that much. And then also on that container, I'm just keeping this little box of wood veneer. So I've got some frames in here because the one collection is like very camera focused or whatever. So I've got some of those, some glasses. The other one has like pencils and like planner supplies and stuff. So I've got some more crayon ones, and then a whole bunch of these like little camera bits and things. So I'm just keeping these in here. And then the last little bits that I'm going to use, I actually have two little cupcake tins here. I got these from the Dollar Tree. So these are my embellishments. So I have them organized by colors, you can see. So yellow, orange, these are like white and tan, blue, teal, kind of pink, and then some silver things. And then I also pulled some cupcake liners, so I might be doing some of those little cupcake liner embellishments that my friend Serena taught me how to do. Might do some of those, I don't know. And then lastly, I have this tin for enamel dots and little gemmy bits. So I'm gonna try. You guys notice I didn't pull any of my favorite gemmies from Amazon, so I'm gonna try to use up some of my stash this month and really focus on these. So I do have these organized by color, so I just pulled some yellows, some mints. These are like bluish teal colors, some silvers and glittery ones. These are white, pinks obviously, and then like orangey kind of colors. So that is it, you guys. That is my stash for this month. I think I did really good. So these are all the dimensional embellishment type things that I will be working with, as well as washi, a little bit of stickers, a little bit of trims, and kind of random things. Like, I really need to work on these chipboards, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. And then of course the papers and stickers and cut aparts that came in these two packs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if you're enjoying these stash update type things. I have a lot of fun pulling together these little mini kits for myself every month, and I hope you guys are enjoying them too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss any of the fun stuff I create this month using all of these things. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!